Now that we have all the supplies laid out for the large first aid kit, we want to talk about the shelf life of the products. So everything on the left, these are supplies that you can use, and they only really need to be either cleaned or replaced after they've been used. However, on the right side, these have a shelf life, and we're making this video to ensure that you are aware of it. So starting at the top, we have our cleaning wipes. These have a 5-year shelf life, and they are the same as the alcohol wipes as well as the sting relief wipes. On the bottom of each of these, imprinted is a date, and that serves as a reference point to guide you and to show you how long you've got left before they expire. Same for the alcohol, same for the sting relief. Then you've got the wound dressings. On the front, there's a little icon that you can use as a reference point, and it shows you the expiration date of each of these. So these are 3 years. Cotton gore swab, same little icon, that's 3 years. The ice pack, 3 years. The iPad, 3 years, and it's got an expiration printed on the back so that you can see. We've got the non-adhesive dressing for burns, that's going to be 3 years as well, and you've got the icon on them as well. Then we have our standard adhesive dressing, those are 3 years. And then we have our pack of other adhesive dressings and wound closures, those are also 3 years. And then we have our combined dressing, which is also 3 years. So it ranges between 3 and 5 years. That means after 3 or 5 years, you need to go to your local pharmacy and just replenish these to ensure that your kit is always up to date so that you can take action when you need it most.